I think I ain't go. Wine, 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 funny body girl. Wine, wine, sit up on the body girl. Wine, wine, sit up on the body girl. Whoa, she make me go mad. Mad, 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 mad.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy DeAndre. Oh my god, DeAndre Dingo, man. Yo, so as you can see, man, different setting. If it echoes, my bad. Also, if you hear cars, a lot of loud driving, my bad. So a lot of y'all don't know, but I'm in Jamaica right now. I'm a yard, you feel me? So, you know, that's why I haven't been really uploading, but I finally got some time and space alone to, you know, upload a video. So we're gonna go on YEE, we're gonna do our thing and talk to some girl and yeah man, you feel me? Stay tuned, make sure you watch the whole video. Yeah. Oh damn, yo man, yo, listen, let me tell you something. You look good.
Thank you.
Yo, at some time I'm gonna talk to you, know? Hey.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. You ever been to Jamaica?
No.
You wanna come?
That's far away.
You're not far away, me can book your flight.
What's there?
A lot. Beautiful beach, beautiful food.
Oh, I like the beach.
I bet you do. Yes, sir. Hold on. So where you come from?
I live in Tennessee.
Well, you know, I'm from out here in Jamaica, but I live in New York.
You live in New York? That's cool. I really want to go to New York. I've never been.
Oh, well, guess what? So when I go back up, you know, I can fly you out, feel me?
That would be awesome. I love, like, big cities. The only city I've been to is Chicago.
Interesting. So hold on, like, what part of Tennessee you at? You know, I can come out there and see you too.
I live, like, near Chattanooga.
Alright. Army girl. Yo, Wagwan.
How you mean?
Yo, where you there?
How you mean, where me there?
Where you there?
When you can't read.
Alright, tell me, hold on. Alright, relax yourself, my girl, cause y'all get too fierce. Relax yourself. Y'all get a look rude. Me not like that.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, so what me there? Me there Jamaica right now, no?
Alright now.
Yeah, right now. I don't like, yo, look outside.
Let me see. Oh, Jesus Christ, you're jump fence?
No, I'm not jump fence, but you see Jamaica, I'm there. You know see my roof, you know see it. How would that tell me say me a lie?
Me didn't say it.
I'm not, yo, what are you talking about? Like, I'm not even lying. Like, what are you talking about?
American.
Like, what are you talking about? Like, you chat, like, that ass, what are you talking about? Nah, but Jamaica, I'm there for real. At some time, I'm talking to my girl.
No, I can't see.
Alright, so, which part of England are they? Is this an idiot boy that said South Carolina? Like some of them know where that there?
Where am I saying? Me a 9-9. At 9-9, me a go.
Alright. Well, guess what, though? You have a blessed day, is it?
Is it? You have an inch nose, you see it?
Me know it's big man, but you don't have to make for it. Come on, man, like, today. Hello. Alright, so how old is everybody in this video? I know you can understand me. Damn idiot. Hello.
Yo.
Where your mother there?
You said what?
Where your mother? You know, see how look at you be? You're probably 15.
Bitch, I'm grown.
You not grown. How you grown? At time. How you grown? Well, dirty girl wanna act like she grown. You're not grown. When I always think someone grown, I wanna do I'm grown. Stop this shit. Hello?
Hello.
Well, you look nice.
Thank you.
Alright, what part of Jamaica you come from?
Same thing, but currently.
Hold on, what you say?
I come from Saint.
Me too?
That's great. But me not the same right now.
So where you there?
Kingston.
Right. You know, say I Kingston, I didn't forget today so I can do my corona test and go back to New York.
No.
I don't know, I can't do it coming on a friggin' ride. You see them sitting here?
So I'm nuts for that or something?
No, not time for that. But me down here with my parents, alright? So, I'm supposed to go up before them. Saturday, but now I can't. So now I'm stuck here till when they leave. Yeah, I don't like them things there.
Push, let it go sometime.
Yeah, but they want to leave by myself, you know?
Yeah.
How old? Yeah, but how old you be?
I'm 20.
Oh, you're my age. Alright. Alright. Ross. Yo. Hello. I want to know. I want it, Ross. Alright, stop with this song now. Stop with this song now. Alright. Y'all can chill with the sounds, bro. And goddamn, what the fuck? Yo. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Me, I chill. Come in here, my girl.
Hold on. Airtime. Oh, I got it. Hold on. I'm trying to put a shirt on.
Yeah, try put a shirt on. Just come in here, camera, man. I'm pretty sure whatever I go see, I don't know, nothing too serious.
What did you say?
I said, come in here, camera. I'm pretty sure whatever I go see, I know nothing too serious.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah, change your baby.
What?
You changing your kid?
No.
Alright.
That's my sister. My kid's in her room.
Oh, so y'all both got a kid.
Yeah.
You want the next one?
Yeah. No.
Why not? Fuck, shit. I was just saying, like, hello, good evening.
Oh, what a guana.
What a guan, my girl.
Admire's a friend.
Alright, man. So make you never just press the button. How are
What you doing?
me? I chill.
Alright.
What you want to do?
I braid up my hair.
Yeah, braid up your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. So what kind of braid you do?
Not less. You have a girlfriend?
Eh?
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, me not have a girlfriend.
Lie or tell?
Oh, me a lie. You ask, wait. But you asked me a question, so me answer your question.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure. You have a boyfriend? Oh, you're quiet. No. You're quiet. No. You see them things there? You're quiet. No. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So you're not going to me?
My friend.
What you say?
My friend looking for a Jamaican man.
Oh, she want me?
Yeah.
Alright, she have Snapchat or Instagram?
Yeah, she has Instagram.
Alright, so tell her to take me Instagram now.
With the Instagram.
DeAndre Dingo.
Add she.
Add me? What? So why Instagram?
Add her.
Why the Instagram?
Add her.
Alright, why the Instagram?
Latia love.
Alright, wait.
Latia.
Wait. And we're gonna end this, alright? And just text me. Alright. Yeah, my shit. Anyways, I'm about to end the video right here, man. You feel me? Yes, sir. It's getting dark. Well, it's not really getting dark. I'm just losing my lighting. But yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video I made for y'all. I'm here for a little longer, so I'm gonna try to make more videos for y'all. For the little while, I didn't really have no internet, and then the internet came back and all types of shit, and I haven't been going out, so it's like I can't vlog nothing, you know what I'm saying? Not everybody's around, too noisy. Y'all understand my pain, you feel me? But yeah, it's your boy DeAndre Dingo, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure y'all like up the video, leave a comment, you get what I'm saying? I'm out.
Wine,